Okay, baby, try it this way. Grab your hand, grab it, hold it. Good job. Okay, do it again. Good eating, Lucas. It's a good thing Daddy's not here for this. He doesn't take too well to this kind of mess.
That's Tony.
Do you like that? Is that blueberry applesauce? Is that yummy? Is that yummy?